take it out for a quick little run, see what other problems I can uncover with this thing, and I'm sure there are a few. What'd you do? Gear aftermath right there. Nah, it happens, right? So we got the Gen 7 back on the chopping block here. Something's going on. After I fixed the front drive shaft, I took it out, and messed around with it, and everything was working fine until I started, I guess, being impatient again and slamming it from reverse to forward, which I definitely don't recommend doing unless you want to break stuff. So something is broken, or maybe not broken. I don't know. Just got to figure out what's going on. So let's just dive into this. So you can see it's just a very slightly modified Gen 7. What I need to do is, so what I'm getting at, let me see. This is my quick little stand that I just made. Just to get the truck kind of, up in the air and see if I can see what's going on here. So switch it on and hopefully I can show you what's going on with this. So you can hear it, okay? There it is right there. There's some crunchiness happening somewhere. Alright. I wonder if it's like the angle. There is a little bit of play. I don't know, man. I don't know if you call that a little bit of play. All right, so there we go. So you see how the wheels are rotating right now? So with the wheels rotating, I'll switch it over to this side so maybe you can see better. There we go. So you can see the spur gear here and the pinion. Okay, watch. So we did strip something out in the transmission. And we've got no rotation. You can obviously see that the spur gear and the pinion aren't spinning, so transmission's definitely wiped out. So let's just shut this thing off. Figure out what's going on here. So we're gonna end up taking this apart again. Dang. Well, it is what it is, right? 2mm. Go ahead and pull out these links again, and just let it kind of swing away. Spin it around. Pull out this link. Flip it upside down. Let that kind of swing out of the way. And then we can go after transmission mount bolts. 4 of them on the bottom. And the reason why he took out 2 of the links, I'll show you, because once we pull out this last bolt right here, see how it just kind of just pulls away? So now we'll be able to feed this through like this. We can pull the whole transmission out. Just like this. Now I can disconnect the motor wires. What a bummer. So anyways, well, we gotta pull this thing apart. Just don't lose your bolts. I'm gonna pull the motor off now. Again, it's just a 2mm. Be able to just slide the motor right out of there. It's kind of held in like the magnet's actually holding onto the motor plate. Probably get some air in there and blow out any dust that's in here. It's just a stock motor, Redcat. pull this pin out right here, which it's right there, and that's a 1.5. Be able to take that shaft off and then go after it with a 2. Angle the camera down a little bit so you can see what I'm doing here. So you've got 4 bolts holding this all together. 1, 2, 3 around this little gear cluster set here, and another one right there. Forgot about that. This one's actually got a little nut on the back side here, so just the little shims. And then we can go after this side. Just gonna hold that right there. Now let's see what we're looking at here. Yeah, there we go. So there's the broken piece right there. Dang. You can actually see the broken piece right there. So that's the actual broken tooth. Yep, so it looks like we're going to be ordering a gear set. Now, which one actually blew off? So it looks like it's the idler. I'm guessing. Yeah. Wait a minute. It's not the idler? The idler actually looks pretty good. So it's not the idler. Oh! So it's the shafted gear. Ah, look where it broke off too. Broke off right where the pin is. So that's obviously a little weak link. All right, so, well, we know what the problem is. Weak gears. Weak plastic gears. Look at that. See, you're not supposed to be able to do that. Yep. Come on, pin. Get out of there. Don't know where my little needle nose are. Yeah, that pin's not supposed to do that, so here we go. So there's our issue. So technically, all I would have to do is just order this piece, but why do that? Ah, look at that, huh? Wow, that's some carnage right there. Not in focus. Yeah, it broke off a few teeth. Come on. Focus the right way on the right thing. I'm going to switch this. Maybe this will focus a little bit better. So there you go. Come on. What are you focusing on? So there's the gear carnage. Right there. You can see we had some major stripping. Dang it. All right. Well, that's what the issue was. So we'll have to clean all this out. Clean, obviously, all this out. So, yeah, it's all right. Just don't lose that shim right there. Yeah, look at the carnage in there. Oh, teeth, pieces just everywhere. Yeah, well, I guess we'll get the Metal Gear set, and that should solve this issue. So there's the gear aftermath. Look at all those pieces. Transmission blew apart, but So I'll just get on the internet and order up some pieces.